All right. Hey, today we're going to discuss is successful solution method a scam? We're going to discuss this today. Let's get to it. All right. My name is Charles Diggs, and I thank you for coming to my channel where I talk about business for the regular guy. All right. So, this is where we talk about different types of business strategies, uh, business psychology, uh, different things to get you from point A to point B of having success on your online business for the regular guy. Okay. So, let's talk about it. Let's talk about successful solution method. Is that a scam? Huh? Want to find out? Huh? Really? Okay. Well, before we do that, let's talk about another website right now. Okay. All right. Let's look at this particular website. This website is called Skillshare. It's called Skillshare. Skillshare is a basically a platform where that people go to learn a new skill set. Okay, they have different types of classes that people could take, from drawing to computer programming, different things like that. And so Skillshare helps individuals to develop their skill sets, okay? These particular types of courses. And so I'm just strolling down Skillshare so you can have a look at it. And that you can go to this particular platform uh, whenever you like. Okay, and it says, why join Skillshare Premium? Okay, it says, learn by doing, creating projects you proud to share. Classes include prompts and resources. You learn from others, share and collaborate in a growing community of over 8 million creators. This is a type of platform that you can use to develop your skill sets. Okay. Um, and so I'm going to take you um, to successful solution method uh, Facebook group. And here it is right here. Okay. The only thing that is different between, if you're thinking about successful solution method as a scam, it's not a scam, people. It's not a scam at all. You have real people making real money. Let's look down here. You got a lot of different types of results here. Let's see, I can stroll down here. And here is some proof of people getting paid. Okay, so this is not only, you know, successful solution method is also a community of people. All right. One thing that's different between successful solution method and Skillshare is that with Skillshare there is a monthly payment. You got to continually to make monthly payments if you want to continue to learn and stay on that platform. With successful solution method, it's only a one-time payment. Okay, and so look at some other people success and their proofs. Okay, there's one. Take a look at another one. Okay. So you will see that different people will have different level of success on successful solution method platform. Let me see if I can show you some more. Here's one person here. They had a $250 day. Here's a person here who had a $100 day. Here's Jay. He had what? He had two payments. One payment was 250 and another one was 150. There's nothing but proofs here that people are getting paid. Here's one person here that got a $150 payment. Here's one person that got $200 payment. So there's nothing but proofs here, guys, that people are getting paid. Nothing but proof. Let's see here. Here's Joe. He got a $500 payment. Here's Joe again. He got a $1,000 payment. Nothing but proof here, guys. So successful solution is not a scam. Okay? That's one thing I want to address. It's not a scam. People are getting paid. And if you have followed my page on my Facebook page, you know I have let you guys see in my Stripe account my payments. Here's another person's. Okay, Mr. John, $200 payment. Okay, so guys, so you see, successful solution method is not a scam. People are getting paid. I have gotten paid. And so if you're on the fence right now, you thought that successful solution method was a scam, it's not. I just showed you proof. Okay. So, what you think, what's your thoughts about it? What are your thoughts about successful solution method? It's not a scam. Okay. People are making money now, and you can too. If you're a newbie, this would be a great start for you to get those easy wins, okay? To get those wins in, all right? So that you can build your self-confidence in yourself and build your business up. Start today. Don't hesitate, all right? Successful solution is not a scam, okay? There's real people making real money, and you can be one of those success stories. All right, y'all, I so thank you for tuning into my channel. I so thank you. God bless.